Hello, my name is Tana West, and I want to talk to you today about math manipulatives. One of the things that I use in my classroom for math manipulatives is a whiteboard, and we've gotten these extra pencil boxes for each student, and inside the pencil boxes we have 2 towers of 10 Unifix cubes is what I'm going to talk to you about today. We also have some base 10 blocks, 2 tens grids, a marker, and an eraser. That way each student every day has their manipulatives at hand and are ready to use. The manipulative I chose to use today to talk to you about is Unifix cubes. You can buy a box of Unifix cubes fairly reasonably through any school specialty store to use in your math group. I found these are very handy and are versatile for almost any math topic. Most everything in first grade revolves around developing number sense and either making a 10 or using a 10. These Unifix cubes clip apart very easily and connect back together. They're useful for developing number concepts such as counting. They could lay them out and count them 1, 2, 3. They could compare and order sets of numbers. This one is less than, it has 3 and is less than this group, which is 4. This group is more than this group, which has 3. It's very helpful at the beginning of first grade in learning how to compare and order numbers. These are handy for making patterns. We could do an AB pattern, which alternates every other color. AB pattern. We could do an AAB pattern. Okay, and we would talk about this with our students using the letters or talking about colors: blue, blue, orange, blue, blue, orange. We could talk about number bond relationships. When we start that in first grade, we talk about using a 10. So each student would have their group of 10 number cubes, and we would talk about part, whole. This being their whole, and 6 and 4 make 10, 5 and 5 make 10, 7 and 3 make 10, and it helps them understand number relationships. These are very good for one-to-one correspondence when you're talking about that skill. Great for doing addition problems and subtracting. Also, these are good for measurement, graphing, estimation. And actually, we use manipulatives almost every day in my classroom, and they're a very good, quick formative assessment to let me know how the students are doing and how they're progressing through the skills, and if they're mastering that topic or if we need to spend more time on it. Thank you for listening to me talk about math manipulatives.